All right, first you're going to want to put the butternut squash in the microwave for about 6 minutes to soften it up so that you can peel it easier. Just take a knife and peel the skin right off the side. After you do that and you get it peeled, you're going to start cutting it. Cut the bulbous part off on the bottom so that you can scoop out all of the seeds just like you would a pumpkin. They're only in the bulbous part. The rest of the squash you can just cut into slices, just like this, and then when you're done, flip it over and cut them into strips, and then again cut them into cubes. When you're done, you're going to take your ingredients: apples, sweet potatoes, celery, mushrooms, garlic, carrots, Granny Smith apples, whatever you want to use, and cut them up, peel them, and then you're going to throw them in there, right into your Instapot. Garlic, mushrooms, onions, carrots, sweet potato, butternut squash, Granny Smith apples. Once you get everything in there, you're going to start adding your coconut milk. You'll use a half a can because if you use more than that, it'll dull down the flavors. Then you're going to take 2 cups of vegetable broth or chicken broth or bone broth or any kind of stock, and then 2 cups of water. Then you add your seasonings. I use sage and cinnamon. I use a lot of cinnamon. Make it taste like Thanksgiving. Nutmeg, ginger. If you have ginger, just put ginger in there, or you can use the seasoning. Salt and pepper, of course. And then you add cayenne pepper to taste. So I usually leave that for afterwards as a topping. I put cilantro, green onions, pumpkin seeds for the toppings. So once I get it in my pressure cooker, I put it on for 18 minutes and then let the pressure out, and it's done. Take your emulsifier blender and blend up all the ingredients until you have this thick puree. Add your toppings and enjoy.